In this session we will discuss about the classifications of integrated circuits. Already we know that the integrated circuit means it is an electronic device. The components like active components and passive components which are combined together on a single silicon chip. These active components and passive components which are combined together and attached on a manufactured as an integrated circuit, like as a small chip. So there we will see their classifications. It's an important thing to know. So they are classified into digital ICs and linear ICs. Based upon these two requirements, again they are classified into monolithic technology and hybrid technology. These two are developed based upon these two requirements. Again, these monolithic circuits. See here I said that active components and passive components combined together on a single silicon chip. In the way that can be happened in the monolithic integrated circuits. This all the circuit components like both active elements and passive elements, they are interconnected together on a single chip of a silicon. This comes under to the monolithic ICs. And the see here, and the monolithic it is an ideal for all applications, means that we know that identical circuits which requires very large quantities, so that this having low cost. And the again coming to the hybrid circuits which are used for the small circuits. See, monolithic which are using for the large quantities, and the hybrids which are using for the small quantity custom circuits. So based upon these circuits, again these monolithic which are classified into bipolar transistors and unipolar transistors. And we know that this bipolar transistor, unipolar transistors again classified into PN junction and PN, again they are classified based upon the isolations and the FETs. So this bipolar again classified into PN junction isolation and the dielectric isolation. Again these FETs are classified into MOSFET and JFET.